Welcome back everyone, it's Sam from Tynker with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First we have Slime Defense 2 by ArcticCam0270. In the code we can see a lot of when I receive blocks and some switch to costume blocks for the various characters. We also see some animate blocks and point towards blocks for the direction of the character according to your computer's mouse. Defend yourself from all the slime and get some cool upgrades on the way. Next up we have Us Pinball by Favorable Cricket. In the code we can see some when I receive blocks, start physics blocks for gravity, and apply impulse blocks as well. This popular game turned arcade game is so much fun. Try and get the imposter into the bucket. And here we have Tower Defense by Orange Paws. In Orange Paws' code, we can view some broadcast blocks to open up the upgrade store, some set blocks, change blocks, and some create clone blocks for the enemies. Build your upgrades and hold the line to make sure no enemies can get past you. Last but not least, we have Ride a Horse by Insistent Value. Looking at the code, we see when I receive blocks for the direction, next background blocks for the change in scenery, and some next costume blocks. Ride around and say hello to everyone you pass. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code like this too on Tynker. See you next time.